days are warming up, but that doesn't mean we all of a sudden aren't interested in drinking coffee. On the contrary, this means that we get to enjoy different kinds of coffee. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Japanese style cold coffee at home with a Chemex or AeroPress. To start, let's go through what ingredients you'll need. No worries, there are only 3. First off, we need about 3 tablespoons of ground coffee or 25 grams. I'm using Chica Bean medium roast for a nice sweet, light and clean cup, but our best batch or honey process would also make super delicious results. The grind size will depend on what method you're using. For Chemex, your ground coffee should be medium coarse, and for the rest pour overs, it's common to use medium grind. Next, you'll need a bit less than 1 measuring cup of water, hot water, or 200 grams of water. Finally, 3/4 of a cup of ice, or 100 grams. I'll start by showing you how to make this refreshing Japanese style coffee with a Chemex. So, prepare the Chemex as you usually would, but rinse your paper filter somewhere else and before brewing. Then, add the ice to the basin of the Chemex and then put the rinsed paper filter back in place to start brewing. Brew the Chemex just as you normally would. Add the coffee and 50 grams of water, or just enough to make sure the grounds are all wet, and let it sit for 30 seconds. Now, add the remaining 150 grams of water and wait for it to drain. You can give it a shake or swirl to help the coffee have an even temperature and make sure all coffee particles are completely wet. And that's brewed! You can also do it in an AeroPress. Well, really you can make this Japanese style coffee with any pour over you like, but I'm also going to show you how to do it in an inverted AeroPress. Start out with 4 heaping tablespoons of coffee, medium to fine grind size. Have 1 whole cup of ice cubes ready or 150 grams. Prepare the AeroPress by adding the coffee and the water, about a half measuring cup of hot water or 150 grams to your inverted AeroPress, and move it around during the first 30 seconds and then let it sit until 1 minute and 15 seconds. Flip and push out directly into the cup with the ice. And that's it! Now you have a way to enjoy sunny days even more by drinking as much coffee as you'd like. Today, I showed you how to make the Japanese style coffee with a Chemex and AeroPress, but really, you could do it with any pour over you'd like. And that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and stay tuned to the next episode. Don't forget to follow us on social media, Chica Bean Coffee, and check our website to get our delicious and amazing specialty watermelon coffee.